Fed up with weak water pressure every time you run the tap? You're not alone. And the fix might be simpler than you think. Low water pressure can turn everyday tasks like showering or washing dishes into a drag. Here's a streamlined guide to uncovering the issues and restoring strong, reliable flow. Clogged pipes. Mineral buildup and debris inside your pipes can choke water flow. The fix? A licensed plumber can clear or replace the affected sections. Consider adding a water softener to prevent future buildup. Faulty fixtures. Don't blame the plumbing, your faucet or your shower head may be clogged. To fix? Clean or replace them. Upgrade to a modern, low-flow fixture that offers great pressure and efficiency. Leaks in the plumbing system. Hidden leaks not only drop pressure, they hike up your water bill too. The fix? Look out for damp patches on walls, floors, or ceilings. If you suspect a leak, call a pro for a prompt leak detection and repair. Water supply issues. Sometimes the problem isn't your home, it's the municipal supply. The fix? Confirm with your local water supplier to see if there are known outages or maintenance nearby. Pressure regulator problems. A faulty regulator can bottleneck all water entering your home. The fix? A plumber can test and replace that regulator if needed. Corroded pipes. Galvanized steel or old plumbing may have internal corrosion. The fix? Replace old pipes with copper or PEX, which can restore flow and future-proof your system. Shared water lines. If you share a line with neighbors, peak time usage can reduce pressure. The fix? A plumber can recommend solutions like a booster pump or a dedicated line upgrade to ensure your own water supply. DIY fixes are great, but some issues need a licensed plumber to properly diagnose and resolve them. This will save you time, money, and stress. Regular plumbing checkups help you catch leaks, clogs, and corrosion before they become major headaches. Ask about our maintenance plans to keep your water flowing freely. Low water pressure doesn't have to be your norm. Whether it's a quick fixture clean or a full pipe upgrade, Affordable Comfort has you covered. Call us or book online. Let us make every drop count.